The new MacBook Air on the M4 chip is presented with a minimum package for only $999. Compared to the previous model, the new MacBook Air has an increased battery and performance boost. The minimum 13-inch version of the MacBook Air now costs $100 less. The minimum configuration includes 16 GB of RAM, 8 CPU cores, and 10 GPUs. The new case color is sky blue instead of space gray. And the design remains the same as in the MacBook Air M3. A screen with a refresh rate of 60 Hz and two diagonals of 13 and 15 inches. The M4 chip provides a 25% performance boost compared to the M3. The MacBook Air comes with a 35 or 70 watt charger. A MacBook Air 15 inches will cost you $1,199 and $999 for a MacBook Air 13 inches. The MacBook Air M4 represents an excellent budget-friendly choice, boasting a potent processor that can effortlessly handle a wide range of tasks. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.